We are on the way to LA to get some runs. Is that fresh cake stuff? They want to run for money, but with no boost gauges, I don't know if I really want to run for money. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and today we have a banger. As you can see, I have my Z right behind me. It's a stock turbo Z, you know, downpipe E50 OTS, you know what I'm saying. We're going to Mexico, so the meet that we're going to is like a bunch of like high horsepower kind of cars, and my car doesn't make that much. My car right now is on low boost, making 500. And don't let the wheel setup fool you. I swear it's making 500. Everyone thinks I'm making like 1,000 because of the wheel setup, but no, it's only making low 500s right now on low boost. I can't turn it up for some reason. I have no boost leaks. I already checked the entire car, but you know, we'll save that for a different video. And so yeah, hopefully we get some good runs in. For you guys that are new to the channel, this is my HR 350. You can tell it's HR because it's dual intake, and it has a really big red alternator, also called turbo. And this is my exhaust, my cmak right here. Basically, there's no exhaust throughout the car. That is the only exhaust on the car, so they just shoot straight up right through this hole in my hood, and that's how that setup works. It is a street car. I have a bucket seat, and that's about it. Full interior. I have a trunk, stereo, door panels, everything is here. Full street car, AC, blows cold. And yeah, it's a really fun car because it's so small. Even though it doesn't make too much power, it still feels like a good amount of power just because of the size of the car. Watching money just fly away. Just got to the spot. So far we have a Porsche right here and a bunch of other cars over here. We're gonna go check them out. Sheesh! Red Z right here, Z06. Hella clean, this thing's fucking sick. Let's see if maybe we can get a run in with this. Something tells me it's fast. Got a C8 here. Got this here. On welds. Let's see, let's check this out. You know, if they're rocking these kind of wheels, bro, this shit probably moving. Sheesh! Got an Evo here. G80. This thing looks sick. You gotta check out the rear fitment. Damn! G80 on bead locks? That's crazy. Oh, the GTR on bead locks is fucking sick, dude.
That shit is, bro.
Just got back from the runs. Got the G80 here, the Z, Evos. Pretty much all BMWs as usual. Got a run in with this guy. That was a good run. Got a good run in with this G right here. This G82, super sick. Looks clean as fuck. Get a run in with this one next. and then I'm pretty sure we're gonna run the white G80. Super clean runs with this car. I try to get a good run with the F80, but it was just really hard to get them to line up at the same time. But dude, I'm just happy even able to compete with the car like this, like on bead logs, fucking G80, bro. The next day. All right, guys, so it is the next night after the last roll night we just had. We are on the way to LA to get some runs with some of the Saul Tune guys. So I'm super hype on this because I've never ran them on a turbo setup, and I know that they're gonna give me a good run. So hopefully this does good. I'm having some issues with my fuel pump right now. Pumping some more gas and hopefully everything works fine. But let's just hope that it makes it. It's a 2 hour and 30-minute drive, and I just hope that we make it without any problems and get back home. Some of the cars we got out: twin turbo Nismo, my car, M, 4Runner, and we got Q50 and then another Z with us as well, and a truck. We are currently in LA. So far we got a boosted 370 tuned by Specialty Z, twin turbo, and it's on a bead lock. It's very nice. I'll show you guys the setup. And then we have Benji with the Nismo 370 as well. Should be a money run, so hopefully it's a good run, and we'll see how my car does. The thing is that they do not have a boost gauge, so running for money is kind of rough because, you know, how do I know how much boost they're making? You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be the one running for money. My homies are trying to bet on it. But, you know, I wouldn't run for money if, you know, if I don't even know how much boost the cars are making, and none of them have a boost gauge. So, I mean, I feel like that's sus. Oh shit, is that fresh kicks, dog? Where's your toe mate, sir? Just got to the spot. We'll go check out some of the cars. G.
I ran into earlier when I was doing fireworks.
Sheesh. 370. Man, this is clean as fuck. Carbon fenders. You guys already know what car this is. VQ SWAT S15. Sheesh. Boosted 370s. This one's the one on the bead lock with the gap cam. Sheesh. This thing's sick as fuck. Nismo. Damn. This is the run that we're here for. Damn. Turbo Z's coming out for the wins. Crazy. They want to run for money, but with no boost gauges, I don't know if I really want to run for money, because I'm still on low boost. Did you want to put money in? Go put 100. And you, Vic? 100? Yeah. Did you want to put money in, or you good?
As far as I know, it's just
Just
what
the
is
reddish.
What? You want to go 60? 60 to
I don't.
50,
We could do 50. I don't care.
50 to 140, and then whoever. I mean,
Anything over what? Anything over what is the race?
Whatever is cool.
You want me to count or?
Do you have a horn?
Plus, you guys get
Yeah,
on.
I mean, I'm a great
boost.
boost.
Other kind of brake boost, like you're not gonna hear that shit for sure.
I mean, honestly, just,
Yeah, just
let
count.
me know when you're ready. Give me a thumbs up, because I mean, I'm a brake boost, so that way we don't hold it for too long.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
just
Oh,
give me a
you
thumbs up.
haven't raced your.
good run. I'm pretty happy with it. Long ass drive. All right, bro. Thank you. So yeah, we just gotta get a rerun in pretty soon. Once I figure out what the hell is wrong with this car not making boost, that's about it. But I'm pretty happy with the run, and it was a good turnout. Clean car, very nice.